What's the meaning of bit player? Bit player. Bit player.
Bit player. Bit player. A bit player is a term used to describe someone who has a minor or insignificant role in a situation or event. It originated from the world of theater, where bit players were actors with small parts that only required a few lines of dialogue. In modern times, the term can be applied to various contexts, such as sports, politics, and the workplace. Bit players are often overlooked and overshadowed by more prominent figures, but their contributions can still be valuable and meaningful. Being a bit player doesn't necessarily mean being unimportant, as even small roles can make a big impact.